Recaps, guys, on what is no doubt trade of the day today, and that is AMD. AMD ended up being a 330% gain on a swing trade. Entered yesterday, taking profit today. I actually still do believe that Uni is holding on to a piece of this position still, looking for maybe a little bit more upside to pop above 130. AMD came out with some great, excellent news today. They made an announcement about their new AI chip. And you have a lot of AI hype and a lot of AI excitement today. You had Alphabet just released, did their presentation yesterday for their Gemini, which was just absolutely jaw-dropping. If you guys have not seen the Gemini presentation from Alphabet yesterday, I highly suggest that you go and watch a video on it because it truly is remarkable. It truly is remarkable to watch that presentation. So that sent Alphabet exploding to the upside, up over 5% today. That got people talking about AI. But then you also had AMD announce their new AI chip today, and that sent that stock soaring also up nearly 10% on the day. Another stock that we own in the long-term portfolio from significantly cheaper prices. It's a beautiful performer for us, a staple in the long-term portfolio at TTG. And this thing, you can just see the size of the candle that was put in today. And this is, you got to love, this is perfect. You got to love when technicals and fundamentals just line up. And this is as perfect as you get of a technical and a fundamental lining up together. You have a beautiful support level here at 116. You can see the support level was tested 6 times over the last month. And every single time that this level was tested, it held. You can see right there, I drew it on my screen. I'll zoom it in. There's 116 support, 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 support. And then you get this nice piece of news today. And that's all you needed to clear out and break through these highs, these previous highs that were holding the stock back at the end of November. You cleared them out today. And now you're looking at resistance levels that are up here around 130, up 130 to 132. And I do believe that that is Uni's final take profit target on the trade back up to those levels. So I believe it's already been a 330% gain for people that got the call options on AMD. But I do think, and Uni, if you're on the live and I am mistaken, you can correct me, but I do believe that she is still in some of that position, looking for a bit more upside, maybe another $2 or so of upside on AMD to then close out and lock in what at that point you're going to be looking at, a 400 to 500% gain. If you get 130, 131 on AMD, that's going to be about a 500% gain. That's just going to be an unbelievable trade there for the members in True Trading Group. And I'm just so happy to see so many people that are catching these trades. This is definitely trade of the day inside of the group. This is trade of the week. I really feel like 330% getting ripped off there on AMD. So congratulations, the TTG fam.